Foundation videos.
How to draw a puppy with Special Agent Vanessa De Groot.
Today's lesson, we're going to learn how to draw a puppy. So we are going to start with a circle. And then towards the top of his head, we're going to come up and we're going to dip in like that. And then these eyes are going to come in across his face. So we're going to droop in and back up. Okay, so you're not connecting back to that line, but we're going to erase this so that it looks like a floppy ear over his head. We're going to do the same on this side. So you're going to do a line up and you're going to curve it in and the dipping. Okay, then you can go ahead and erase these lines. So there's our puppy's head. If you want to give his head a little bit more of a shape, you can just come kind of straight down and out to give him more of a chin instead of a round face. And then we're going to add two big eyes. And you can make those eyes however you want. I'm going to add some circles. And you can start filling in the eyes, coloring them black. So there's his eyes. And now we're going to do a small triangle upside down for his nose. And we'll give him a mouth. And we're going to have his tongue sticking out. So I'm going to come and create a mouth like that, but leaving some space open so that we can add the tongue. So you're going to add like this M shape inside, and then his tongue is going to hang out. Okay, and then you'll curve around to create his mouth. Now for his body, what we're going to do is we're going to curve. You're going to come to kind of not the center, but just the edge of his edge here. And we're going to come and scoop down. So it's going to be as though he's sitting. And now towards the front of his face, we're going to do a line that curves out just a little bit. And we're going to give him a paw. Another foot with a leg. We're going to add a curve here just to give him his belly, separate his legs from his belly. And then we're going to make it look as though he's sitting. So we're going to curve a line at the back of his body. You're going to come and create a curve like that. And then we're going to add his foot. There. Okay, so we'll do some lines, a few curved lines for his paws. And then I didn't leave any room, so I can't add a tail, but you can, hopefully, you had enough space that you can add a tail. Maybe you want to add a doghouse, some flowers, make it yours, and let's see what you come up with.